Don't forget, like and subscribe and ding on that bell. This was a surprise cruise for Darren's dad, who we call PeePop. He lives in South Africa and we hadn't seen him for almost 10 years. It was extra special because he was turning 70 on the Sunday and he'd also never met Luke face to face before. Had a lot of stress trying to book this cruise. As I said, it was a surprise and I didn't want to tell his dad or Darren in the beginning. And when I booked the cruise, I had booked all 3 cabins and paid for them with my card, but I'd booked everyone's cabin in their own name. And then come to pay for them, they wouldn't let me pay for Darren's dad's cabin and my son Cameron's cabin because they said, oh, the lead passengers on those cabins are, PeePop and Cameron. And I was trying to explain, I was like, well, I am the one who made the booking. I paid the initial deposit. Why can't I pay the rest of the balance? I said, are you not like Royal Caribbean or the other ships? Or I even used to work for P&O and I know for a fact that the person who puts down the deposit can also make more payments as well as the lead passenger in that cabin. And it was just so much stress. And then I tried to go on to the app to carry on making payments. The app wasn't working. And honestly, it was just so stressful.
Oh, there she is over there.
That was a pleasant embarkation experience.
Yeah, we literally walked straight through from the car park, straight through. Because there was no one there. No one. I think it's because we had a late embarkation. I don't know. But we've never not had to not wait before. So strange. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Sinead?
Yep. Shanine. Thank you. I'm waiting for them. Yay! I know. Wicked, eh? Where's Luke?
Isn't it weird how you go from walking onto a boat to feeling like you're back on the street?
Yeah, it's really weird.
Where to first?
I don't know. It's really hard to find a cabin. I normally get lost, so I let Darren and the boys search. We were all standing there thinking like, how do we get in our room? And then the neighbours were standing there and then all of a sudden Tyler comes out of his room and we're like, how did you get in? He was like, the key is here. But they leave the cleaning in progress, just so you know, so you don't stand in outside your room for ages. We were pretty surprised with Luke's pull down bed. We were expecting a sofa bed. I suppose that's our fault for not really checking the decking plans. Luke enjoyed it all the same. It was difficult in the night waking up from your sleep, remembering not to fully sit up in bed. Almost knocked myself out once, but it wasn't that bad.
Power outage, you could be trapped. Please make your way to the assembly station quickly and quietly so you can hear.
You right, Lily? Smile. Say that again.
I can see it now.
Oh.
Oh, Switch on and off. Really loud.
In Lahore. I'm wearing Darren's top, and as we were waiting for the lift, we literally just come out the cabin, and as we were waiting for the lift, then I see a man and his wife and his son, and he was wearing the same jumper. And I started laughing. I was like, Darren, look, look. And then when we got out the lift, I heard the wife say to him, "She's got your top on." I'm wearing Darren's jumper because I forgot my big cardigans. I didn't bring any jogging bottoms. I didn't bring anything. I forgot to be cozy during the day. Yeah.
I don't know, it's only early days. I don't think I've had enough information to be able to judge yet.
It's nice.
It looks so lonely. Yesterday, no, we were too...
I must say, the food was so much nicer this time. We all really enjoyed it. My salmon was lovely.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I ordered the cake before we got on board. The lady took all the details and said that the cake would be delivered on the specific day that I wanted it for. But I just wanted to let you know that it's important once you get on board to head down to customer services and confirm the date and time of delivery plus your chosen restaurant. As once we got to customer services, the man said to me if we didn't go down to customer services and do that, we wouldn't have got the cake on the day that we had ordered, because you actually have to confirm the details once you're on board.
Grandad. How was that, buddy boy?
I was limping yesterday.
I wasn't.
Oh, that looks good.
I got ice cream.
What did you go for? Tell me.
That was really fun. We just did a conga line through both restaurants. It was fun. This way? Oh yeah. Let me take a picture.
At least now, look at you get 2 shots. Unless you get a first one. So all you can eat for your book.
Is it? He loves me the most. He got my name right.
My name's Judy.
For some reason throughout the rest of the game, it wasn't giving us our second goes, as you can see here.
Oh, I went to PeePop.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know this one. You should tell me the last one. Oh, I thought it was that bit.
It's the second day, white night. So the chefs would go around doing a parade, first in the opera and then the symphony. They would come around in their lines, and you're free to join the line and try to beat the line that the opera or the symphony did. The staff members are very, very nice.
They were
very
actually.
playful with the kids like me. So yeah,
It was good. Did you like, how was the food in the symphony?
it was good.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. I ate it all. What more could you ask?
I really, really enjoyed my food. I had the salmon, obviously, always. I had the roasted salmon with the roast potatoes and the vegetables, and it was really yummy. The food was a lot better this time than when we came last year, May. I think it was May. I'll insert the correct date. But it was so much nicer this time. We really, really enjoyed the food. Apart from the pizza, I don't know. They were a bit shy with the cheese on the pizza, but the rest of the food, no complaints. And it was better than average, as he normally And we've had a good time. And now it's home tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Bye.
Right.
On the morning of disembarkation, we always decide to just take our luggage and walk off of the ship. We never go with the allotted time that they give you, where you have to place your luggage outside of your cabin and then you leave at the time that they give you. Just for your information, if you do decide to walk off of the ship that morning, you won't be able to have any breakfast, as they do like you to leave the ship really, really early.
Bye. Thank you. Oh, no. Yeah, with Wish. Goodbye, beautiful ship. And all the nice things. And we are going home.
Ain't no stopping now.
I know. Just like that, it's over. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, that's pretty small.
Well done.
Punch
Oh,
fingers.
no.
What?
They got a flat tire.
Oh shit.
Oh dear.
I didn't notice.
Goodbye. Thanks again so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ding on that bell.